Oh my God, the parking gods. Yes, look at this. Front row parking. This was meant to happen. I was supposed to come to Target today. It's totally just a sign. Front row, can't beat it. I'm so ready to go shopping. Where the heck did I put my keys? Keys. Oh, still in the car. Okay, we're good. Let's go. Get the cart. Got the cart. Okay. Ooh, Valentine's Day stuff. So cute. So cute. Look at this. That is such a big jewelry box. Like, where are you going? That's a big trip if you're taking that much jewelry with you. Okay, let's look here. Ooh, look at this tray. Oh, don't need it. Put it back. But look at this scarf. It's so cute. Look at it. I think I need it. Do I need it? How's it work here? Will it hide the double chin? I'm not sure. I'm gonna hold on to it just to see. Look at that. Baking is love made edible. Too cute. Seriously, too cute. Ooh, look at all the pink little coffee cups. That's adorable. I like that. Oh, look at these ones. Oh, look at the little mouse. It's cute. Oh, how much is it? $15? Oh my God, no. Put that. Oh, sparkles. Do I need it? No, I don't think so. I'm okay. Okay, what was I here for? So I think something down this aisle. Looks right, triggering my memory. Okay, lotion. That's what it was. I'm here for lotion. Gonna mix it up. Gonna try something new. Doubt it. I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna go with like what I know. So many good things though. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep with what I know. Wait, do I want to dye my hair? It's been a hot minute. Oh, I really should like get myself together. I should dye my hair. I totally should. I got a lot of grays. I just feel like it's gonna take forever though. Yeah, I don't know if I've got enough time to do this. Maybe next time. Today, no, not enough time. Nope, can't do it. Okay, what else am I here for? Ooh, cleaning supplies. I need some cleaning supplies. Like, I'm really almost out, and you always need cleaning supplies. Let's see, what smell? I think I'm gonna go with something like springtime, like spring cleaning. Let's see, this one seems cute. Let's see. Nah, yuck. Put it back. Yeah, not good. Wait a minute. Is this mine from last year? Peony? Oh, yeah. It's so good. I'm gonna stock up. I need I think 10. 10 is a reasonable number, right? Yeah, 10's good. Ooh, what's that? Look at that fun little clean freak. I am a clean freak. Do I need this? It's kind of cool looking. What is it? What do you do with that thing? How's it come out? Oh, I get it. It's a spray bottle. That's fun. Look, see, your hands won't cramp. I get it. Yeah, but do I need it? I don't think so. Maybe next time. I just got 10 Mrs. Myers. I'm okay. Okay, stocked up. I'm not sure if this was on my list, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, hey, cleaning guy. What's up? Okay, is 10 too much? Let me just think. Okay, maybe I should just put 5 back. Yeah, I think we'll start with 5, and if we need more, we'll just come back. Another trip to Target. Not even gonna worry about it. Okay, do I need toilet cleaner? Ugh, I hate cleaning the toilets. Nah, I think I'm good there. Girl, just keep walking. You are doing so great. You're almost there. Keep walking. Do not stop. Don't do it. Okay, let me just take a peek. I'm just going to take a peek. Doesn't hurt to just look. Maybe something's on sale. Look at this. Do I make enough cakes? I could. I could start making more cakes. Could I? I don't have time to make more cakes. What am I thinking? No, I do not have time to do that. Oh, look at the little honey container. That's so cute. That's a lot of honey. Who has that much honey? Okay. Oh, look at these. Little hand towels. How adorable. Listen, last time we had hand towels, the dogs ate them. We cannot. Can we do the hand towels? No, we should not do the hand towels. I'm not going to do it. What else? Oh, what's this little basket for? How cute is that? So cute. What else? Oh, look at the summer things. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Maybe I want to do like bright summer colors this summer. Look at this basket. Do I need another? No, I don't need another basket. But one can never have too many blankets. Look how it's just one little thing. I need the blanket. Should we get the blanket? No, put it back. You don't need the blanket. Good impulse control. I'm proud of. Ooh, candles. All right, we'll just stop really quick. Oh, look, girl, they are on sale. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's smell. That's cute. That's adorable. Let's see. Matches. How cute are those? Matches specifically for candles. Yeah, that's brilliant. Totally getting those. That's the smartest idea ever. Specifically for candles. Let's smell some stuff here. Ooh. Wait. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. Let's see. $5? Heck yeah. I'm totally getting that. Let me smell the big one too. Let's just see if it smells the same. I'm not really sure. Yeah, that smells good. What about this one? It's almost sold out. Must be good, right? Oh my God, open. Why are you so hard to open? Is this worth it? You better smell amazing. Oh, no, it smells so bad. Put it back. Gross. I've got one candle. That's good. That's reasonable. Oh, look at all the baby things. So cute. Remember when Sophia was a little baby? Look at the cute little hats. Oh, and the cute little socks. Oh, look at the little boy hats. I think I want a baby. Oh, yeah. I think I need to talk to Sean about this. I'm so ready for another baby. I'm going to buy all the things. Yep. Decision's been made. We're going to have another baby. Going to talk to him about that tonight. Okay, look how good I did. Everything I got was on sale. I'm real proud of myself. Just gonna get loaded up here. What did I get? I don't even remember. What did I get? What did I even come into the store for? I don't know. Did I get it? It's fine. Everything's fine.